when following another vehicle closely at night. Rest. Temporarily glance or dazzles other drivers, increasing the risk of vehicle collisions or crashes. Legal basis. Republic Act 4136 requires motorists to dim headlights within a certain distance of another vehicle. Penalty. Often penalized by fine usually 150 to 200 pesos depending on the local government or labor laws. Hitching or prohibiting hitching on motorcycle vehicle. Violation of allowing or not permitting people, especially on bicycles, motorcycles, tricycles, or skateboard, from moving into or attaching themselves to a moving motor vehicle. Common situations. Kids or cyclists grabbing onto jeepneys or trucks to which arrive skateboarders holding onto vehicles in urban areas.